Hi, welcome to all. Today I will tell you 20 top MS Word shortcut keys. Before going to that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications. Now come to the first shortcut key is to insert copyright symbol. We have to enter Control Alt C. Then it will insert you copyright symbol. Next one, to insert a registered trademark symbol, then we have to use Control Alt R S. Now next one, to insert trademark symbol, we have to use Control Alt T. Next, to insert ellipsis, use Control Alt period operator, then it will insert ellipsis. Next one, to increase the font, we have to use Control Shift right key. Then you can use, this is increasing the font size. Next one, to decrease the font size, we have to use Control Shift left angle brackets. Yes, it is decreasing the font size. Next one, to change the text to all in uppercases, use the shortcut key is Control Shift A. Then entire text will be goes to uppercase. Next one, to apply the text in bold, use Control B. Next, to display the text in underline, you can use Control U. Next one, to display the text in italics, then use Control I. Next one, to display the text in subscript, select the text, use Control equal sign. Similarly, use 4, select it and use Control equal sign. Then H2SO4, 2 and 4 is in subscript. Next one, to display the text in superscript, we have to use Control Shift plus sign. Then the text will be shown in the uppercase, means superscript. Next one, use 3 hyphens to insert a line. Next, similarly use underscore, 3 underscore to display the line. Yes. Next one, use 3 equal signs to display double line. Next, use 3 asterisks to insert a dashed line and use tilde symbols to use the zigzag lines. Next, use hash to display the line. Next, to display the bulleted styles, select the list of items and use Control Shift L. Then it will display you in the bulleted list. Last one is to display or to insert date, use Control Alt Shift D, that it will insert the current system date. These are the top 20 shortcut keys in MS Word. Thank you for watching this video.